Discover a better way of doing business.
Aggregators are being put through the pressure test as banks move to entice more broker business. Steve Kane of Advantedge says competition between banks and aggregators is fierce.
I think when you look at the depressed credit market situation they're in, which is likely to be continuing for quite some time, everyone is trying to make the best possible opportunity they can in relation to the lower level of credit growth. So we're seeing banks, aggregators, really come to the fore in terms of the service propositions they're offering. Competition between the banks for new business is very, very intense, and competition between aggregators to recruit brokers, to provide brokers with the service that they require to service their customers is really heightened as well. And a lot of that's driven off the back of this reduced hunger by customers in the main to seek finance.
He says aggregators need to constantly evolve their service proposition to satisfy their clients' changing needs.
Very clearly, brokers are looking to expand their businesses through diversification. They're looking to hone the way in which they manage the relationships with their customers. They're looking to make sure that everything they do adds value to their customer relationships. So the aggregators have got to make sure things they provide, such as software platforms, support around NCCP, support around business management and how to run a business, is continually developed for the broker experience. So everything we do as an aggregator has to have, in the end game, something to improve that broker's business.
While lenders are ramping up their service to brokers with improved PD days and events, Steve Kane says it's up to aggregators to ensure learning and development initiatives are relevant and accessible.
I think that the PD days are very, very good, depending on what it is that you're trying to achieve in a PD day. Across the fast plan and choice broking networks, we try to deliver products and services that will enhance their business. It's not just about the lending products. We value the contribution of the sponsors, our lender partners, into the PD days, but it's really now about developing brokers as a business to move them away from this transactional stance that really the broking industry was in for many, many years. So it's around changing the face of those PD days. It's also running specific workshops, webinars that are topical for brokers' needs at the time. So continuing to canvass brokers about what is it in your business that you require us to help you with, and there's many ways to deliver that. It can be through face-to-face PD days, it can be through webinars, it can be through online tutorials, all of the media that we need to use to make sure that brokers can access it at their time.
This is Donna Sawyer reporting for Australian Broker TV.
Discover a better way of doing business.